Okay, this is my latest find. This is a Panasonic Jet-Flo MC6215. I'm assuming that this particular unit was made in 1988. I picked this up for $9.99 at the Savers in Newington, New Hampshire. So far, it looks pretty good. I opened it up, found the belts that look to be in particularly good shape. Let's take a look at it now. As you can see, it's got a metal brush roll that looks pretty solid. It, save for a couple of dents, there was some string hidden in the clutch, but I got most of it out, so let's plug her in, turn her on. Another thing I noticed about this one is that the prong for one of the cords was a bit loose, so I tightened this up a teeny bit. All right, let's fire it up and see how she runs. I cannot wait to see how this thing does on my higher pile area rug. This thing is awesome. At some point, I should do a face-off between this and my 6640 because these two are basically the same vacuum cleaner. I think the only big differences are the color, the headlight. I'm not sure if I remember exactly what the amp rating on the 6640 was. This is a 7 amp motor. The other big difference is the cord, of course. I think with the commercial machine, they intended for the cord to be longer, so you probably just zip tie it or something. Yeah, so not a bad machine. There you go.